Many moons ago, in a world of light and shadow, a girl named Luma and her bear companion Brahm embarked on a journey. Together they sought to heal the forest from a dark, mysterious shadow that threatened to consume it. In Storyfold Wildwoods, you take on the role of Luma, traveling with your companion Brahm through a dark forest filled with enchanting beauty and lurking danger. At the heart of Wildwoods is a rotating card mechanic that captures the essence of Luma's adventure. Roll dice to perform actions such as explore, light, help, and heal. The more successes you roll, the stronger your actions become. As the darkness seeps in, corrupted creatures make actions harder, dragging Luma further into despair. Heal creatures to clear them from the river. Gather crystals to boost your abilities and push back the darkness. Explore new areas. Help cleanse corrupted creatures. And most importantly, don't forget to light your path, holding off the encroaching shadow. Every action draws you deeper into Luma's journey and the mysteries of the forest. The next chapter awaits. Storyfold Wildwoods.